In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update and confirm your email address on Etsy. Whether you're new to Etsy or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through each step clearly and efficiently, helping you ensure smooth communication with the platform. Let's begin by heading over to the Etsy homepage. You can do this by opening your preferred browser and typing in Etsy's URL, or simply searching for Etsy in your search engine and clicking on the link. Once on the home page, log into your account if you haven't already. You'll need to access your account settings next. On the top right corner of the page, you'll find an option leading to your account settings. It's typically located as a drop-down menu beside your profile picture or icon. Clicking on this will take you to a new tab where you can manage your account details. Once there, you'll want to scroll down until you see the email address section. This is where you can view and update the current email that Etsy has on file for you. If your email status indicates unconfirmed, don't worry. This simply means that you need to verify your email address to ensure that all crucial Etsy communications reach you effectively. If your email hasn't been confirmed yet, you'll see an option to resend the confirmation email. Click on it. This action will trigger Etsy to send a new confirmation email to the address you have listed on your account. Now that you have requested a new confirmation email, it's time to access your email account. Open a new tab or window and log into the Gmail account associated with your Etsy account. Once you're in Gmail, look for a new message from Etsy. If you don't see it immediately, check your spam or promotions folder. Emails can sometimes end up there unintentionally. After locating the email, open it and carefully read its instructions. Within the email, you'll find a confirmation link. This link is necessary to complete the verification process of your email address with Etsy. Go ahead and click on the confirm button provided in that email. By doing so, your email address will be officially confirmed on Etsy, which means you'll receive all notifications, updates, and other important communications without a hitch. With your email address confirmed, you can rest assured that all essential communications from Etsy will be delivered to you promptly, keeping your account in good standing and ensuring a smooth user experience. It's always great to have your account information up to date, as it helps in preventing any disruptions in using Etsy, whether you're a buyer or a seller. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more handy guides just like this one. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or run into any issues. We're here to help.